Hey guys, Big Schmuck here, and welcome to Forager. Forager is a game, basically, to sum it up in one word, it is capitalism. It is by far the most fun game ever. But we are going to be starting a new one. Yeah, we're just going to be playing Classic. It's been a while since I've played this game. It is very, very fun. I love it. So let's see if I still kind of know. Basically, you just destroy stuff and pick stuff up. It's kind of like one of them games. It takes a while to get in the start. This won't be a very long video because I don't have time because school and stuff. So hopefully you all enjoy this episode because I will enjoy making it, and let's get into it. Alright, so basically like any other survival game, there is your crafting menu. So up here, you can build industrial. Oh my god, it's amazing. So for this, we need 10 stone. So let's get 10 stone real quick. So basically what a furnace does, it is allows you to make iron and iron ingots and stuff and be able to upgrade your equipment, all that kind of stuff. And once you get into the later game, I'll give you a sneak peek of my world here in a bit, like the one I play off like in my own time. So I'll cut to that real quick and just show you what it can be like. Alright, so this is my world. As you can see, yeah, I spent a lot of time in this world, and basically the lasers you're seeing getting shot and the like big bows and stuff, those are mining turrets and everything like that. Here, I'll just show you my inventory basically. What is it? Escape. Yeah, I don't have much in here, but up here, this is where the goods are. Right up here in my saves. All of this. Where's Cosmic Steel? Where did I put that dang thing? Interesting, because we're making an endless supply right there, so it has to be going somewhere. Is it in my inventory? No. But yeah, basically that is what Forager will be like in the future. If this records everything well, like records all well and stuff, and I don't have any like file corruption and stuff, this will be a long going series because this game is just amazing. But sadly, I don't have much time to record tonight due to school and stuff, like I said. So, yeah, hopefully we can have some fun in the time that I have. So we're going to just place down a furnace. How many can we place down? We can place down 2 furnaces. Oh, we can place down some furnace. So basically, with the furnace, you got this. See, iron ingot. We need some more of that, and we need some coal. Coal, I have no clue where you get. Because, wait, can you make coal, actually? Oh, yeah, you can make coal. So let's make a 1 coal real quick to be able to make 1 iron ingot and upgrade our good old pickaxe, because the more you upgrade your equipment, the faster it works and the better it works and all that kind of stuff. So it's really worth your while to do it. Okay, so we got that. We can upgrade we can make an iron ingot now. And this is what we basically have to do for a while. It's pretty boring work and all that kind of stuff, but I will just try to cut this out later on, like in the series, because I highly doubt anybody wants to see this. Oh yeah, another thing while I'm here. Energy. Energy's a thing. Yeah, energy is right up there in the top left. Yeah, top left. So you have to keep that up if you want to be able to keep on mining and doing all that kind of stuff. Iron ingot has been gotten. Okay. What is the button? Right there. There. Is it industrial? It is. Okay, so for a forge, we need 4 iron and 4 brick, which isn't that bad. I would just want to look in here. What's in all in farming? Bridge, fish trap. Might need to make a fish trap here in a little bit, because fish trap equals food, and food equals energy, and I'll tell you this, fish probably gives you a little bit more energy than berries do. Alright, so while I was gone, in a way, I got an upgrade point. So basically, you level up, you get into this. This is basically where you unlock new stuff like steel, glass, XP, when you build, all that kind of stuff, and there are different kind of things. It's like, instantly gain 40 coins, 400 creates 4 extra coins every... let's get that, because we need money. Basically what money does, you buy islands, buy more islands, you get access to a lot more resources, which is just fantastic. So buy island, let's get this one right here, since that's the only one we can really afford, and, god. Ooh, wow. We're kind of lacking on the whole resource gain here. We're not getting too much iron or, like, coal or anything like that, and it's kind of making me a little angry. Plus, there's some slimes down here. Slimes, oh god, as you can see, are kind of lethal. They'll hurt you, and it's just not very fun. If you also notice, we're getting coal deposits and gold deposits a little bit more, mainly because we bought a new island. More islands you buy, I think it upgrades the resources more, and they spawn more frequently, which is just very, very nice. Later on, you can get mines and stuff to do that all for you, and it just gets very nice. I'm basically blabbering on about the same stuff, and I'm sorry, but I'm just trying to explain the game before we get too far into it to not. So now that we got that, we can make, yeah, let's make 6 iron ingots, or 3 iron ingots, sorry. Get that all done and go over here. There are these chests. I need to look up how to do it, for this one, but if you break these mushrooms in a certain order, a chest should appear around right there, and then you get some nice stuff from that. It's kind of nifty. It's like a little puzzle game, which is really kind of cool. Oh, stupid slime. Die, 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 die. And as you can see in the top bar right up here, that is our level up points, or basically how much XP we've gathered since the last level up. As you can see, we just leveled up, so we can go in here, go into gear, go to skills, and choose one thing from here. I'm gonna either choose industry. Ooh, what's this? Click spawn. Cotton spawns more often, allows you to find weed, allows you to... I think that'll be good for energy. So we're not always scrounging around for food and trying to get that all done, dusted, because we need to eat to have energy and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that'll probably be more convenient in the future. Alright, so now we're making the bricks to be able to make, oh god, my game froze. Just wait, there we go. To be able to make the, where is it? The forge. So once we get the bricks done, we can make a forge, and I think we will be able to upgrade our pickaxe to be able to mine a little bit quicker and all that kind of stuff. It's going to be very, very nice, because you see how long it's taking right here? It's going to take probably about half that time, if not a little faster, hopefully. It has been a while since I played the game, so don't quote me on anything I say, but yeah, let's get this up and going real quick. And there we go. The forge is all done. Excellente. So yeah, basically you can see we can upgrade stuff. Oh, we need bottled... Oh, God. That makes me angry. What do we need for this? Let me guess. Glass. I don't know how to make glass. Glass isn't discovered yet. So I guess it will be a while before we can upgrade our pickaxe and stuff. That kind of stinks, but you know what? There's nothing we can really do about it, so we just kind of have to keep grinding and working slowly up to it. I guess one thing we could make is this basic shovel. Basic shovel, I think, allows us to get some sand to be able to make, how many can we make here? Okay, so we basically just need to keep mining as many resources as possible because, to get that basic shovel, it takes 20 iron ingots. That's a hot few iron ingots, so it's going to take a lot of coal, going to take a lot of resources, going to take a little bit of time, but I can guarantee it will be worth it, mainly because we'll be able to get that next level of pickaxe, which is very, very nice for gathering more resources. Alright, so I kind of backed myself into a little corner here. Luckily, I have enough to build a fish trap. But as you can see up here, oh yeah, by the way, sorry for my really deep inhales. I'm just trying to catch my breath because I'm kind of talking a little fast. But right up here, as you can see, our energy is very low. And the way the fish trap works is, like, every certain amount of time, it gives you, I think, a fish or two. And then we can just cook that fish, eat it, and get some energy back. Also, since we bought that farming thing, we have beets. Beets will give us a lot of energy. It's really worth it. So yeah, that's why I kind of unlocked that a little bit earlier on. I know this is sounding like a tutorial and stuff. I promise you it's not. I'm just talking fast because I didn't think I'd be recording at fucking, what time is it? 9:20 at night when I literally have projects due tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'm pretty irresponsible when it comes to that. Alright, as you can see, we caught a little fish here. It's been a while since I have played the game, so I didn't really know, what am I trying to say here? I didn't know how the fish trap works. So basically, you load the fish trap up with like berries or food or something like that. I've only really tried berries right now. And then you get food. Plus 20, that is amazing. So now we can get back to like basic like needs production. Like getting coal, getting some more food, all that kind of good stuff. It's actually going along pretty smooth. I didn't expect this to be going like this, but I'm kind of happy it is. Because I'm learning along with you guys. It's been a really long time since I played this game, so it's kind of nice to get back to it. And again, sorry that I'm kind of talking really fast. Okay, add 2 berries in there. I kind of want to start saving up for some more fish traps because that'd be nice to get for more food and all that kind of stuff. Because basically, I think it duplicates your food. Like, basically, I'm saying basically a lot. So, you get like a fish. A fish is like plus 20, and a berry is like, here, let's check after I mine this tree real quick. A berry is only plus 5, and a citrus is only plus 5 too. Put that in the fish trap, and you get a plus 20. That's a pretty darn good deal if you ask me. So yeah, back to getting some more iron for that nice old shovel. Hey, oh, what's this? Can we cook that or eat that? Seaweed. Oh, that really wasn't worth it. Oh, that sucks. Okay, eat that, eat that. So basically we have another skill. We've already leveled up 3 times, which is pretty good if you ask me. So magic. Magic gain 25% more XP. That is good. At least I think it is. If it's as good as it sounds, then that is amazing because we should level up a lot quicker. But if it's not what it sounds like, then I'm going to be sad because that is stupid. I'll put some more berries in there to hopefully get a fish this time because we kind of wasted a little bit of that on the last go. So hopefully it gets a little bit better this time. Alright, so we got a little bit of gold. Basically, what you can do with gold is make it into bars, and then over here at the forge, you can make it into coins. So apparently 1 gold ingot is 10 coins, and let's just look up here on the buy islands real quick. We need, for the next island, what's the cheapest island? That's 560, 60. Next island is only 50. We're crafting, I think, yeah, we're crafting 6 bars of gold right now, which is fantastic, so we'll be able to buy that new island in no time. If that stupid slime would stay out of my way, be very nice of him. Alright, get that, and just craft all of this into coins. Alright, there we go. We got 58 coins now. So we go back up here, and we go buy this plot of island. Ooh, has a chest on it. That's not half bad. So basically, to get over to that chest, as you can see, we have a little bit of a gap. I think it's under farming and bridge, yes. So we just go plop, and then bang. We're all the way over there. All the way. Then we open this chest, which I think we need a key. Yeah, we need a key. Can we make a key yet? We can make a key. So craft that. I think we get like a really nice, not a bonus or anything like that, but I think we get a fat upgrade. Hopefully it's to energy, because we need a little bit more energy. Speaking of energy, we just caught something. Please be fish. Up here. That's a little bit more energy. Yeah, food's kind of a problem I've noticed from the beginning, like, of the game. It used to never be, but I guess it is now. Use you. There we go. Alright, let's open this after we kill the slime, of course. Ooh, chicken, actually. Chicken. You need to die. Actually, let's open... What's this? Fishing net. Fish traps collect themselves. Oh! I am okay with that. Hi there, buddy. Oh yeah, give me your egg and then give me your meat, because I need all of the food. So basically, like I said, unlock new islands, basically unlock new creatures and stuff, which is really nice. Ooh, you almost got me there, bud. Alright, leveled up again. Let's see what we can get over here. So the only one we really haven't gotten is industry. I said industry. That kind of is very nasty, but okay. So building structures gives us an XP. Unlocks glass and unlocks steel. So we're gonna get this one. Actually, I want to see if there are any better ones real quick, and then I will. Yeah, I'm just gonna get this one real quick. The other one increases our inventory slot by like 4, but we really don't need any more God, the minor strokes really get to me, man. But we really don't need any more inventory space than we already have right now. It just kind of be more of a like waste, I guess, for the early on stuff. So yeah, let's just keep gathering some materials, because sweet Jesus, we are getting nowhere right now. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end this episode here. I really hope you guys did enjoy this. I really did enjoy making a good old thing of Forager. It's a fun game, because it just keeps moving, and there's really a lot to do in the game. I know it looked boring because I really was just starting off a new series and all that kind of stuff, but we will be seeing this is it Thursday? Yeah, I'm making a new schedule for stuff and all that kind of stuff, so I will be able to upload more frequently and more on a daily basis. Oh god, that's taking a lot of air out of my lungs to speak, but okay, first, before we end it, let's look up here. Unlock carpentry station, structure costs. Actually, no, I want to get this, add more inventory slots and more XP from planting and cropping. Or what is it? Planting and plants and crops. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm a little bit bent in the head. But yeah, I bumped the mic. So thank you guys very much for watching. It means a lot to me. If you made it to the end of the video, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me again. Now, I'll see you all in the next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.